Alright, look, I take this two queens. This is queen of clubs and queen of spades. And now spectator take any cards. It's really free. Maybe your cards, free of hearts. Remember these cards. It's really free. And now spectator stop anytime. Maybe her and drop it this pile like this. I take this two queen and drop it like this and squeeze. And now snap my finger and two queens search your card. 1, 2, 3. Two queens search your. Oh. Two queens search 3 cards. Alright. This is queen. This is queen. Alright. Please name your cards. Yes, this is 3 of hearts here. Alright, look. 3 of hearts, your cards, and 2 red queen. 2 red queen, your card put in her like this. It's really, really true. Alright. And now spectator stop anytime, maybe here. I take this two queen. Queen of spades, queen of clubs, turn over, snap my finger, and your cards teleport this two queen. It's really unbelievable because I turn over, snap my finger, and your card vanish. Why your card vanish? Because your cards here. Queen of diamonds, queen of hearts. And of course I take this two queen and show it your cards 3 of hearts. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will teach you really beautiful, really clear card sandwich. It's really nice card effects, it's really nice card routine. Thank you for watching my video, guys. It's really unbelievable. Alright, first you make a little setup. You take 4 queen. Alright, you take queen of diamonds, queen of spades, queen of hearts, queen of clubs, and full deck. Alright. These cards maybe shuffle, it's really true, alright? And now you take this king of diamonds, king of hearts, put in her like this, and take this king of clubs, king of spades, put in her like this. The next step you turn over 2 cards like this, and production this 2 queen like this. It's really beautiful production 2 queen. I repeat, look. You take these 2 cards, take 2 cards, turn over like this. Alright, I repeat, look, take this 2 queen, turn over, slide queen of spades, and turn over queen of clubs. It's really beautiful, alright, I repeat. Zhik, zhik, zhik. Alright, so, maybe you make a production this 2 shot. It's really anywhere production 2 queen. Alright, look, you production 2 queen, 1, 2, and now you count 4 cards. You take this 2 queen and take 2 cards. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 cards, right? Look, it's really easy. Use this finger, count 4 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, and make a break. And now you take these 4 cards. Wow. You take these 4 cards, like this. This is 2 queen. This is queen of spades, queen of clubs, this queen of hearts, queen of diamonds. Right. And now you take this queen of spades and this queen of clubs, put in her like this. This is 3 cards and drop it and take 2 cards. Queen of clubs and 1 cards face down. Alright, and drop it like this. Of course, queen of hearts, queen of spades, put in her like this. And next step, spectator take any cards. It's really free, maybe your cards 4 clubs. And next step, you take this deck your right hand, make a swing cut like this, take this queen of clubs, turn over, and now your cards, queen of clubs, put in her like this, because this is your 2 queen. And now you make a break, make a swing cut your break, drop it this pile your break, and now you save it your break and spectator stop anytime, because you forced this your cards 4 clubs. Please, spectator, stop anytime. Stop. Alright, and now you make a cut this. Because this your break, this your cards. It's really easy. Stop anytime. Stop. Cut your break. Alright. And now drop this pile like this. Take this 2 queen. Alright, drop this 2 queen like this. And this pile drop it like this and squeeze. The next step, snap your finger, make a spread and search 2 queen, your cards. Oh, this is not your card, this is 3 cards. Wow. Why? Alright, you make squeeze this spread, take this 5 cards, turn over this card, this is king of diamonds, turn over this card, this is King of Hearts, this queen, drop it like this, and turn over like this, and show it this is your cards for clubs. It's really beautiful sandwich. Alright, and next step you squeeze these 3 cards, take your deck, and these 3 cards put in her maybe like this and squeeze. And next step you make a spread, and now you break this card. This is 4 clubs, look. You make a spread, make a break these cards and squeeze. It's really easy. So, and next step you spectator stop anytime. Of course you force these cards because it's 4 clubs. Please stop anytime, maybe here. And now you cut like this. This is your break, alright? Please get stop anytime. Stop, alright? Take your break, and this pile drop it like this. Of course, your cards King of Diamonds here, because this King of Hearts and this your cards. And next step you take this to queen, and now your left hand count 2 cards, 1, 2, and now you save your break. Take this King of Clubs, King of Spades, turn over your break, turn over, take 4 cards, right? And turn over like this. Snap your finger and show it. Your cards teleport this pile to this pile. Right, it's really beautiful effects. Take this to queen like this and show it. It's really to queen, because this is King of Hearts. You take this like this, alright? Take this to queen like this. Alright? It's really nice optical illusion. Your left hand make you break 1 card, squeeze these 3 cards, squeeze this pile, and now you take this 5 cards. Take these 4 cards, turn over like this. Of course, turn over 4 cards. And now snap your finger and show it this to queen. Your cards vanish. Drop with these cards. Your little finger make a little pile like this. Take this pile, and now your right hand take this pile, your break, and now you make a spread like this. Alright, I repeat, look. 2 queens, King of Spades, King of Clubs, snap my fingers, search your cards. Wow, it's really cool. Turn over, squeeze, turn over, boom, your card vanish. It's really amazing. It's really cool, yes, it's really true, because it's really nice, it's really optical switch, it's really easy to do, because it's really unbelievable, yes. Really, it's really nice. Look, count 2 cards, 2 queen, turn over, snap, production, it's really search, to show it, make a break, 1 cards, squeeze, turn over, snap, your card vanish. Count little pile, take this pile, take your right hand this pile like this, and now make a spread. This pile drop it like this, and of course take these 3 cards and show it these cards, because this is your card. So guys, thank you for watching my video, see you later.